Hello, and welcome aboard Nextiva HQ. We're thrilled to have you on board as we launch the future of business conversations. But before you're cleared for launch, there are a few courtesy and safety reminders that we'd like to bring to your attention. When first entering the building, please stop at security, check in, and receive either a badge or guest pass. The security team must be notified of all guests in advance. Building access is available to badged in-office employees 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Just be sure your first visit is on a weekday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. when the security team is able to issue new access badges. The building is divided into 3 floors with the lobby, restrooms, and elevator banks located centrally. At both the east or mountain side and west or city side of the building, you'll find stairwells and emergency exits. But we doubt you'll want to exit once you find out about the free food, the wellness days, and the unlimited virtual reality chill-out sessions.
Whoa, cut! Janae, we don't do virtual reality chill sessions. Where did you even get this guy?
But isn't this a tech company?
Well, yeah, and we have really amazing benefits, but can we just stick to the script?
Oh, yeah, you bet. It's a good script.
Thanks.
If you've opted to bring luggage on your journey, please check larger items with security, while smaller personal items may be stored underneath the desk in front of you. Open seating or hotel desks are available on each floor on a first-come, first-served basis.
Clearly, I was here first. Big Dave.
If you prefer a permanent seat assignment, see your team lead to upgrade to in-office class. Nextiva Scottsdale headquarters was built in 2021 and encompass over 100,000 square feet. Oh, and look who we have here. Why, it's Ms. Kim Lamont, our Nextiva Chief of Staff. And I also understand that you were instrumental in the Nextiva headquarters project here in Scottsdale.
Thanks, Janae. It was a labor of love that took nearly 5 years to complete.
So you must know where all the secret passageways are.
We don't have any secret passageways.
Well, then how does everyone get to the escape pods? Nexties can collaborate freely in any of the numerous huddle rooms, relax in one of the collaboration lounges, or plug in at a booth in one of the numerous pantries or the work cafe. No reservations are required for these spaces, but they're for temporary use only, so be sure to take your belongings with you when you leave. For more formal gatherings and training sessions, Nexties can reserve any named meeting space. Located throughout the building, these spaces are easy to identify by their name plaques and can be reserved through your Nextiva calendar. As you can see, there's something for everyone aboard Nextiva HQ, from the wellness and new mothers rooms to the bridge and the work cafe that brings the outdoors in. The entire building was designed to promote collaboration and to inspire you to do your best work. Congratulations, you are now prepared for launch at Nextiva HQ. On behalf of the entire Nexty crew, welcome aboard. We're so glad to have you here to help us build the future of business conversations together. Take a trip out back to our beautiful pond that's stocked daily with fresh, vegan-friendly droid fish.
Cut! Janae, robot fish? Come on!
Well, then what is the pond for?
Relaxing! It's a freaking pond!
But you are a tech company, right?
Can we please, just stick to the script?
Oh yeah, you bet. It's a good script.